Okay, so this is my first vlog. I'm gonna be straightening my hair for the first time. I look at how to do it, since I'm a Gen Z. I just looked it up on not ChatGPT, I did the other one, Copilot. But usually I do ChatGPT, but yeah, I really hope it's recording, because if it's not, then I guess I'll just do this. But I'll probably do this again sometime next time I'm here. And I did honestly just take my phone. Hopefully it doesn't come off. I'm also sweating. I don't know if that's good. That's why you see it over here. And I also want to take off my necklace because it's long. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, I need to keep my hair eye contact because I don't know that I can do this right camera. Okay, so it said to get this to 300. Oh, really? How do I do? So we're gonna do 296. Scared. So I put on 286 now. I'm still sweating. That's so bad because I shouldn't be sweating because apparently it makes it frizz. But yeah, my hair, I just got straightened. I want to keep it as long as possible. So I might even take as long as just start straightening my hair randomly. I don't know. I tried to come out the best I could, but alright, I need to stop making it sound. It's really kind of cringe. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. I should be looking at the camera. Probably gonna cut this out. Probably gonna cut this out. Probably gonna cut that out. Probably gonna. Okay, that's cringe. Is it doing this thing? I smell it. Okay, let's do I should get that one comb. I'll be right back. I got that one comb. Yeah, I was looking at my camera. I know. I'm sorry. It's hard because my phone has 6 cameras. Okay, I see a change. I low-key have my mirror taped up to the. I have my phone taped up to the mirror, so I low-key couldn't tell if it's on or not, but I know it's on because I did press the record button with the volume, but the thing is, I can't see it, even though it's taped onto the mirror, it's taped base flat onto the mirror. Oh my god, I smell this burn. Bro, I'm burning my hair off for the first time ever. Hopefully, this will look good, and I want to be cooking myself. But it's okay if I do cook myself. So we're gonna start off with here. I should probably put this in the ponytail, but I won't do that for right now. That's good. Let's do 2 different parts, right? So let's do this one first. Oh, it is hot. It's what's it on? It's 286. The look straighter? I don't know, man. I said do a comb and chase method, but come on, dog. What's that first one? How does I know what that means? Okay. I know, send me. Maybe just go to the top. And snap it. I don't know. I think it looked better. I think it's really high though. It's really light. Get through that too. Yes, wait. I'm not gonna do the comb. With it because I'm new to this. I don't want to. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the comb because I'm new to this. I don't want to really do anything that might actually burn out my hair besides this. Because I want to keep my hair straight for a little bit because it's been 6 or 7 years since I actually got my hair straight. My parents are all about natural hair. Yeah, I do enjoy my natural hair, but I feel like 7 years is much more graceful. Watch me say natural because I don't really have a lot of hair. Okay, a little bit tough, Okay. Yeah, I didn't want to do too loud because my hair is technically already straightened. Because I got it straightened for prom. Touch my forehead. It's actually not even that bad though, to be honest. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as I can't do it. Oh my god. Yeah, but honestly, it's not that bad as I thought. Oh, well, I should be talking to him because you to see what I'm doing. I wonder if I should just do next time I'll do my front camera or something like that. I just want to really crappy dog, because I don't really want. I'll see this right here. Yeah, see, this is a terrible job, bro. I need to do this in section, but I don't have anything to put my section away, so I'm gonna go grab my my phone's on like 30%, so he gets low when it died. Like, you know what? Okay, so I'm back. Hey guys, look, my favorite YouTubers. Today, I am your grandma, and yeah, we're gonna be doing things. Okay, so like, playing this up, you know, I'm telling you, don't touch me, don't touch me. That's okay. I don't care what you say. Oh, we got even type. Alright, because I can't control this, I'm gonna bring on too. My parents not on board this game. Maybe he does. Shit, man.